Alright everyone, easiest way to cut a pomegranate. I know you've probably seen lots of YouTube videos about this, but I'm just going to show you myself in case you haven't. Take your knife and cut around the top here. Then next you're going to cut down the side just through the rind. But do you see how the pomegranate kind of has sides? Like here's a side, there's a side, there's a side. You're going to cut along the ribs of it sort of thing. Ooh, it's rolling all over the place. Because that's where the divisions are. And then when you crack it open, it'll be perfect sections of pomegranate and it'll be super easy to eat. So I'll show you the finished result. So look at your core, and you can see there's a section that goes here, a section that goes there, one that goes here. So you're going to cut down the edge next to those sections, and then it'll kind of just pop open. So it's all sliced, and now it will come apart, but I kind of need two hands for it. But you just kind of pry it open the way you would split an orange. There you go. You just take the core out, and you have perfect sections. And this papery stuff just comes off real easily. And then you have perfect sections of pomegranate. That method where people slice it in half and then like bang the spoon on the back of the pomegranate, don't do that. Because you slice your seeds in half and lose juice, and then you're just bruising the seeds as they come out. So, and honestly, this is faster and less messy. Anyway, enjoy!